X squared minus y squared equal to 32, xy equal to 63. We want to find x and y. So look, first you can try to find an example. In all problems, try to do that first. Xy is 63. For example, we can check one of them 9, one of them 7. So because x squared minus y squared 32 positive, x is greater than y. And if we check, for example, x equal to 9, y equal to 7, then this for second equation will be okay. First equation, 9 squared minus 7 squared, which will be 81 minus 49, will be 32. So first equation also will be satisfied. And we can remove these things. Okay. So one answer we found is x9, y7. Also, you can negate both x and y. It works. Okay, so we found two answers for this problem. And now we want to prove, do we want to check, do we have any other answer or not? So let's check. Here, we know x and y are not 0, so you can divide both sides by x. Find y in terms of x and substitute in first equation. So here x is not 0 because xy is not 0. If x is 0, then xy should be 0. So y equal to 63 over x. Now, to replace in first equation, x squared minus 63 over x whole squared equal to 32. Okay? So we can, let me write this equation star. If we consider star, we can say it's x squared minus 63 squared over x squared equal to 32. We want to get rid of denominator, so we multiply both sides by x squared, so it will be x to the 4 minus 63 squared equal to 32 x squared. Now we take all things to one side. Let me write it here. X to the 4 minus 32 x squared minus 63 squared. 63 is what? 7 times 9. So it will be 7 squared times 9 squared, or 3 to the 4, equal to 0. Now we want to see, can we find any good answer? And we can use also this for x9. So you can say, okay, x squared is 81. So x squared minus 81, you place x squared, you have x to the 4, minus 81 x squared, you want to reach negative 32, so we add plus 49. And 49 times 81 is exactly this. So it is equal to 0. First 40 0, then we conclude x equal to x squared 81, x equal to plus minus 9, and we've checked here. So this part is okay, we should check this. If it is in real numbers, we don't have any other answer. Why? Because look, when we write this, then x squared is negative 49. But we know in real numbers, x squared is non-negative number. But if it is, we can solve it in complex numbers to learn. If you don't know complex number, it's not important because the only thing you know is we define I equal to root negative 1. Here, x equal to plus minus square root of negative 49. It will be plus minus root negative 1 times root 49. So instead of negative 1, we write I. Instead of root 49, we write 7 plus minus 7i. Okay. So here, if you consider x equal to 7i, y, the product should be 63. So it will be negative 9i because the product will be 63. And I squared is negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1. So if x is negative 7i, you should consider y equal to 9. And if you check here, you will see, for example, for first one, it will be negative 49 minus 81, which will be 89 minus 49. It will be 32, and so forth. So we found, let me write it, two other answers, four answers. Okay. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye.